Hello friends, this is Loli. Welcome to my channel. Today we will be creating this tombstone arrangement. I use this claw tombstone arrangement thingamajiggy. I found this at Carolina Pottery in a trip that I went to earlier this year. And I also got the floral foam from the same place and tied it together using some floral wire in order for it not to fall off of the claw. Once I did that, I went ahead and put some of these blue roses from the Dollar Tree, and I put them in like a zigzag pattern so I can incorporate other flowers in between. I had a hard time here because I did not have my wire cutter, so did the best I could with the scissors that I have on there. But I'm very proud of myself that I actually went over and crafted in my actual craft table on my basement. And here, guys, I am adding some farmhouse peonies. I found these during the beginning of the summer at the Dollar Tree, and I love how full and high-end these flowers look. So I just added them in between the blue ones to create a nice little pattern and to create balance on both colors in there. Once I finish with that, I just make sure that all my flowers were at the level that I wanted. Did a couple of modifications, and now I'm adding a different kind of flower. This also came from the Dollar Tree, and I had 3 little stems left from a different DIY, and I just attached them to the middle of my arrangement to give it a little bit more height. Once I was done with that part, it is time to add more flowers, of course. The more the merry. So I just wanted to add a different, another shade of blue. So I used these blue flowers from Dollar Tree. I got them during springtime. And I just cut all the stems off, but I separated them by the stems that had the flowers. So I took the stems that had the flowers off first, and I'm going to add that onto my arrangement. Yeah, I'm fighting with the the sticker. So here we're gonna add these in different spots in between, just to like tie up the colors together, create some more balance. And I just wanted a lot of different shades of blue in there. So I just stack them in places where I believe will give the arrangement a little bit more interest, and just divide them in between, and where the white flowers are meeting each other, just to like break up that constant flow of white on from there. I did the sides. I wanted this to be something that expanded beyond itself. So I did that. So these are the other part of those stems that I just put in on there. They're like little ferns. So I also detached those, and I used them in different spots of the arrangement there. So I took these and I put them towards the perimeter of the flower arrangement. Again, trying to create a little bit more broad reach, or a little bit wider and fuller looking floral arrangement. These ferns are so easy to work with. They kind of look pretty cute. They are plastic. They do look plasticky sometimes, but in other lighting it looks very real. So I like them either way. So here I am using some of these little flowers also from Dollar Tree. Every single flower here seems to be from Dollar Tree, my favorite place. So I just added those little flowers towards the more of the bottom of the arrangement, just trying to cover up the little edges where the floral foam is, in order to not have to use any floral moss to cover things up, because I have a different idea to use for the bottom. So this is a glue gun that I just got from Amazon. I wanted a cordless glue gun for a while, And I did get one for my husband. It's a little bit bigger than I wanted, but I figured this one will be great for going on the go. It is the perfect size. It already comes with their glues, clear and color. It comes with a rechargeable cable and a stand for it to stand freely on your desk as well. I charged this overnight just to make sure I had a full charge. I figure it's the same logic as a cell phone. And I put in my hot glue gun, my hot glue stick in there, and wait about 3 minutes for this to warm up in order to have the best results. I was a little bit impatient, and I tried to use it like after a minute, and it wasn't ready to be working. So in the meantime, while that heats up, I will be here. I am putting apart this what do you call it? Aloha? Aloha is what you're saying in Hawaii. What do you call it? Luau necklace, or I can't remember the name of it right now. From DollarTree. I got this during the summertime, and I'm just pulling apart the pieces there. I just want the petals. I will be using the petals along the side of the floral foam. It's driving me crazy. I can't remember the name of it. If you please comment in the description box and in the comments, please let me know what's the name of this thing. I can't remember for some reason. It feels like I've been having a lot of senior moments lately. I don't know what's going on. But anyway, so once that is all and ready, here I am testing to make sure that this is hot enough. And it was not quite yet. Like I said, give it 3 minutes. And at 3 minutes, it will be as hot as you need it. And it is pretty good because it also has a precision tip, which make things a lot easier. So here you'll see when I was trying to do it after just a minute, and the glue was just not ready to give away yet. It wasn't really that hot for it to do what I needed it to do. So I just gave it a little bit more time, and just put, I just try to use what it did in there. So I am just going ahead here and making sure that all the edges there are covered. Try to put your flowers in between the other flowers in order for your petals to be lifted and for it to look nice and full as well. And it is up to you how many flowers you put on there, but I just put enough for it to look like it's a lot of flowers coming out through the end. And just remember to work in small sections so your hot glue is at its ultimate temperature, so it doesn't string as much as it did in the beginning. I wish my angle was better here, guys, so you can see what I'm doing, but I am essentially just going through the areas that I filled in already with the petals and seeing if there's any areas where the floral foam is still showing, and making sure that everything is full and looking cohesive. Here you can see I'm doing the other side there, and here was a lot easier. I just was able to just put a little blob of hot glue into the back of the flower and just press it back in, and you can see there how great this glue gun worked. There was no stringing. It was so smooth. I really like the precision tip on it. It really is a perfect addition to my craft materials now. So I'll be using this when I'm crafting downstairs or when I'm on the go, and I'll be using my cordless bigger one when I'm working probably downstairs as well, or also the days that I like to go outside and craft. This now marks addition number 4 to my glue gun collection, but I'm glad that I have one for each area that I'm working in. And I have 2 options. So I have a precision tip for some options, and I have a regular tip glue gun as well. So I am all set now. I truly enjoy this product. I'm going to put it on the description box below so you can take a look at it as well, and if you're interested on getting it. And here you see me adding a little bit more of the petals. Here I went a little bit tighter with the amount of petals that I added to the arrangement, just to make sure that I have enough coverage. And here is the finished product. You can see it there on the headstone, along with another DIY that I created. If you enjoyed this video, please comment, like, and subscribe, and that helps my channel grow. Thank you so much. As always, stay blessed, be wonderful, and have a great day.